In this video, we are going to show you the Vaillant F28 and F54 fault code and how to get this boiler working if it was just a one-off occurrence or on a temporary basis until a gas valve replacement can be carried out. You will try and do a simple reset once or twice to see if it can be resolved without proceeding to further measures. The boiler will try to ignite up to 5 times, and if unsuccessful will go back into this F28 and F54 fault combination lockout. You will then proceed using a simple technique to unseize the gas valve. This technique should only be carried out by trained and registered gas professionals that are able to work on boilers, as the casing will need to be removed. Attempting this procedure could cause further damage if not carried out correctly. Remove the boiler case. Take a soft rubber-ended tool and repeatedly tap the sides of the gas valve closest to the seating whilst the boiler is trying to ignite, using the service mode or calling for heat. You may have to carry this action out a few times until the internal solenoid and gas valve seating is freed. If you don't have success with this technique, you will require a service call or replacement gas valve. Once you have finished, replace the front case and do further checks if necessary. If you do succeed and this error comes up again afterwards at any point in time, then you will likely need to get a replacement gas valve.